Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. OCGN, wow. Friday was a roller coaster day uh, and opened up at $6.44 and went higher of 6.85 and then kind of closed out even after hours was $6.70. So let's do a quick recap for 5 days, technical analysis and news, right? We're in the highs of 7 and then we came the low of $6.11 and kind of been trading in between the channel. So it's not over yet, folks. It's not over yet. The reason being that because I'm gonna clean up the chart, right? I'm gonna clean up the chart and show you guys what I'm looking at and what pattern I am looking at in order to a uptrend, right? So really looking is complete downhill, right? We had a downhill coming all the way, but we just have a double bottom, right? Some sort of double bottom sitting at $6.11-12, right? We're at 200-day moving average. Let me delete this first so you guys have kind of go over the moving average. So that's my 200-day EMA moving average sitting right there as a support. 60-day moving average is right here, the yellow line, right? And the 20-day moving average. So what I'm expecting and looking how it's going to play out is this pattern right up here, right? We had a downtrend and we just came all the way up here. So if you'll see, trying to have it the graph so you guys can see it clearly. Okay, so the downtrend right here, double bottom one, bottom two, we're gonna have a pullback and then up, right? That's what I'm expecting right up here. Right here, double pullback, double bottom, pull up, which we did, right? And then pull back, which we did again on Thursday, came at $6.11. Now we're sitting to see if it's a uptrend go test of high of $7 and higher, right? So now we completed our double bottom, right? Bottom one, bottom two, right? And now we are sitting at right at double bottom to see if an uptrend and some sort of definitely an uptrend. So that's what I'm looking at since we have witnessed our double bottom at $6 and 12 cents, $6.12, and the high we're looking at, it's really simple, sitting at right at $8.70, which is gonna be our resistance level, right? So there's two drawing of support and level right up here, right? So MACD, you'll see it's right here. Volume. First, let's talk about volume. 67.3 million is the average volume. 19 million was on Monday, so quite a low, but it's okay because we know that 26.98% is a shorts in control, pretty high. So that's why we expected. That's why it came all the way from high of 9 all the way to low of 6, right? So MACD, this is very, very important. Look at the selling pressure, it's getting over. RSI right here is curling up. It's going to be showing all the time, all the signs of an uptrend, but not a confirmation of the uptrend yet. RSI is still here, but the bars are really, really small. It's a signal pointing towards a reversal, right? So Monday, throughout this week, it's gonna be very, very critical to see if it follows that double bottom pattern and goes all the high of $8.70, right? And then a little bit pull, right? Not all the way to 6, and then create high of $11 and stuff, right? So I'm gonna have it the next, very important next resistance level sitting at $10.40, right up here. So nothing too fancy on the chart right now, but just very important two levels because we are sitting right over here on our 200-day EMA which is a massive support. Um, I had it on my previous video was $6.05, but it came at $6.11, where the EMA was sitting right up there on at $6.11. Okay, let's talk about the news and then a little bit finish it up with the another technical on that support. So OCGN announces the independent grants under the listing rule. So what is meant, right? The Compensation Committee Board of Directors approved the grant stock purchase of 150,750 shares of its common and restricted unit of 25,250 common shares to employees to 7 employees. So it is an inside Boeing given shares to the employees, right? So nothing too crazy. The average price exercise was $6.66, right? Nothing like whether the employees bought shares like below that, which they can't. Before you have to do it before the list, before it goes to IPO listing. So it's also showing signs of uptrend, right? Signs of growth, right? Employees getting purchased on that. Nothing common on that, right? You usually see is it people buys it during when it comes to a low peak, right? Because it is an opportunity to get cheaper shares around this time, right? People who bought it around it between $6.11 to $6.20, or even higher $6.30, it was a good opportunity loading zone, right? I loaded up some call options when it came to that that level. So on our 6 months, right? We're gonna go back quickly to look at our 6 months. On the 6 months, time and time, you see every time we came over here to this level, we had a massive uptrend, and we went to test a high of $8.70, and we're getting rejected time and time over there. Because if we break out at $8.70 and we hold, right, which we did in previous times, then we went and test off high of $10.35, right? I still stand this stock is over $25 because it has a lot of growth and opportunity, and based on the waiting for the approval, will have a massive uptrend. It's not priced in yet because those things are not usually priced in because it hasn't generated revenue, it hasn't came out yet or anything. It is possible. Don't forget, folks, Delta variant is legit, right? Delta variant is legit, and it's going to play a major part, right? And look at this. On the 6 months forward time frame, we are seeing a green bars, right? On the MACD, RSI is pointing up. All is showing a signal for an uptrend, right? Not a confirmation yet. Once again, it is a signal of uptrend. Not a final advisor, just doing it's all based on my research and my DD. So that's why please make your own trades, more your own options. But when it comes to a loading zone, this is why I always share with you guys. Hey, this is coming to a loading zone. So we'll see how on 1 month we had a massive run to $9 and all the way to $8.70, even $9.12. Failed it, rejected, tried to test it again, came back all the way down to right up here. But now we're showing some sort of a reversal uptrend. So we'll see. We have to wait and see on that. Overall, I won't say I'm happy, but these things is very common. You are always common because people will load up shares, and then they'll lock their profits and they'll come down right here. Time and time you've seen it. So history intends to repeat itself. Doesn't mean it has to, but it always does though. So overall, let's see how it does on Monday, Tuesday, and the entire week. I'm going to do a recap on video on Wednesday to see if we test a high of 870 or we come down all the way to our moving average. So I love to not to see that coming down all the way, but anything is possible. It's showing all the sign of uptrend, right? Confirmation of double bottom one and bottom two, but we'll see on that. Folks, that's all I have. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification if you guys want to be constantly be updated. So you definitely don't want to miss out some key news and technical analysis. that's all I have, folks. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Monday is gonna be with some fireworks. So thank you very much for watching it. Have a good day.